Xiaomi Mi 11 Ultra. There's so many things to like about this phone and not too many to dislike, apart from the price obviously. Here's a short review I did, if you didn't watch it. And one thing, my favorite feature, which I didn't mention in that review, the speakers. I think this phone is equipped with the best smartphone speakers on the market. But today it's
time to say goodbye.
So today I'm gonna drop this phone from 1 meter, that's about 3.3 feet, then from 2 meters, that's 6.5 feet, then from 4 meters, that's 13.1 feet. And why would I do that? Because I did it before. On my Polish channel with Samsung S21 Ultra 5G. That's what happened after it fell from 1 meter. I was a bit surprised. It broke too fast in my opinion. But then it fell from 2 meters, and then from 4, and then from 4 again, but this time I placed it on my toy tank with the screen facing down. Yes, it is actually a tank. It's not perfect. And we had to repair it, but it still works. And at the end, it was just the back of the phone that was broken. So we sent the phone for a repair service and they replaced the back of it, checked all the other parts, they were perfectly fine. We paid 260 Polish zloty, that is roughly $70 USD. And the warranty is still valid. So it appears it's not only a good phone, it's pretty tough as well. But this phone aspires to be better. But is it tougher though? Okay, so it seems to be broken here. This is a factory screen protector, so I'm just gonna remove it to see the real damage. The whole screen is broken. Jeez. So here's the selfie camera, and the screen is broken over it, and it affects photos and videos. This line here, it shouldn't be there. Okay, let's see the other side. Okay, this camera bump is perfectly fine. So after dropping it from 1 meter, the screen is broken and the selfie camera isn't working as it should. That's a lot for 1 meter. Let's go for 2. No new damages to the screen and no new damages to the phone in general. So we gotta go for 4. It's totally broken. I mean, it seemed to work a bit, but this part of the screen is like... It doesn't seem to be... No, it's definitely not usable. See that part? You can hurt yourself by only touching it. So, yeah. The back is alright though. So I don't think there's a need to drop it from 4 meters again, since we already know that it's not as tough as Samsung, or it just didn't have enough luck. Or it might be a little bit my fault, because most of the time Samsung was placed on the tank with the screen facing up and Xiaomi with the screen facing down. So this whole comparison didn't make any sense. But don't blame me, blame this huge bump, which made it impossible to place this phone any other way. I mean, if I place it in that position, it would slide off the tank, and that would be even less fair. And Samsung fell from 4 meters twice, and once with the screen facing down, just like Xiaomi was falling all the time. So in my opinion, Samsung S21 Ultra 5G is tougher than Xiaomi. Yeah, it's definitely tougher than Xiaomi Mi 11 Ultra. How much will it cost to repair this Xiaomi screen? Well, that's something I can definitely cover in another video. That's it for today. I'll have to turn it off because it keeps on calling the emergency number. My name is Kuba. I might not be the drop test champion, but at least I try. Thanks for watching and hope you have a better one than this little fella today.